Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside ConvertBox. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. ConvertBox is a powerful tool designed to enhance website engagement and conversions. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside ConvertBox and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for ConvertBox as my trigger application and here it is. So now moving to the trigger event, that will be new lead submission. So this trigger will start working whenever a new lead will be created inside my ConvertBox account. So I'm going to select my trigger event first and this over here is the form that I've created to create a new lead. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect and over here you can see as it did that, a Webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this Webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your ConvertBox account with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my ConvertBox account. So this over here is my ConvertBox account dashboard and this here is the ConvertBox that I've created. So I will simply go to edit. And over here you can see that this here is the form and I will go to the form settings on my left hand side. And now over here to build a connection, I will go to integrations and over here I'm going to click on this plus add integration. So over here it says set integrations to run when this form is submitted. So now I'm going to click on add integration. So I'm going to select the integration as Webhooks. And now over here in this Webhook URL field, I'm going to copy the Webhook URL from Pabbly Connect and over here I'm going to paste it. So once I've done that, I'm going to show you the test response as well by sending the test data. So I'm going to click on send test. So by doing a test submission, we are going to test this Webhook URL. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that we have received a response and this over here is the test response. So that means the Webhook which we have set up inside a ConvertBox account is successfully set up. So now we are going to add the integration. So now over here, I'm going to click on save. And I've successfully added a Webhook inside my ConvertBox account. So over here, I will go to next, and again go to next, and I'm going to click on finish. So over here it says, your changes have been saved successfully. That means we have successfully added a Webhook inside a ConvertBox account. Now, whenever there will be a new lead generated in my ConvertBox account, then automatically the details will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So this is the form that I've created to capture new leads. So over here in Pabbly Connect, as you can see that we have sent the test data first while setting up the automation. So over here, you can see that this here is the test data. So I'm going to recapture the Webhook response and here I'm going to click on yes. And now in order to create a new lead, so I'm going to do a form submission. So here let's say that the first name is today, the last name is lead. So here the email is todaylead@pabblytuts.com. This here will be the phone number, that will be +91969696. So now moving to the street address. So over here are the street, postal, city and the state details. And now I'm going to click on submit. So I've successfully submitted this form and the details of this form submission would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see the response. Here you can see the state. Here you can see the postal code. This is the phone number. You can see the last name, first name, email address. And over here you can see the ConvertBox ID along with the city and the campaign name. And this here is the address. And this over here is the referral. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the lead details. So through a form submission, a lead was created and the details of that form submission, that means the details of the lead is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So we have successfully set up a Webhook inside ConvertBox. Now whenever a new lead will be created inside my ConvertBox account, then automatically the details of the lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So now moving to this action window. So over here, I can select any application where I want to send the data. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.